Yes. Now they fly up and down. That I am talking to. The black angels. If you want to fly, die and turn to white angel and be flying real fly. Make you know say you dey fly. All this flying on top of people roof up and down. Stop it. Which country be this? Una no even get respect for federal capital city. Una no get respect for every other city. Be flying fifi up and down, people no go rest. Where you fly dey go, wetin you dey find? Can't you people do like those white people, the way where they do things? Now see how oyibo dey take their own do. Your example of flying birds, you come and be using it and be doing bad thing here. If you want to fly, die, turn to white angel and be flying real fly, make you know say e dey fly. Stop to dey fly and be disturbing people up and down. Be flying fiu. You be sorry? Wetin you dey find? If you want to fly, die, turn to white angel and be flying good fly.
Hi, my name is Christiana Ekba. Welcome to my platform where you get hot news, health tips, comedy, and gist. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and follow.